Hello beautiful people, welcome to CoCAHM's kitchen. My name is Lady Thelma Boy. Today I'm going to give you a simple way to just fabricate chicken. That big word, it just means cutting chicken. Chicken has 8 parts. So the chicken, this is the breast of the chicken, the drumstick, and the thighs. Okay, so we're going to take our knives, and there are joints in it. And if you follow it, it'll be so easy. So I just take my knife, just cut it, bring it down, and there's a bone in there. You just pull it out. See, the bone came out. You're just going to go around it, around the bone. That's a drumstick. So that's another piece. Okay, so now the wings. When you hold it, you see that there's a joint here. So you just take your knife. See, it just comes off. Simple. Just take your knife, go around it, and we have it. Now we are left with our breast. This is our carcass, or the back of the chicken back. We use it for stock, okay? So we are gonna take the bone here, wishbone. Usually what I do is just use my hands to come with the wishbone. And our carcass is out. Now we have our breast of chicken. It's also called the supreme of chicken. Okay, see, there's a bone here. Okay, take your knife and just make sure you break it into yes, see, breaks. It divides into 2, just right here. So we take our knife and we just cut it from the bone. I'm just going to take it from the bone. Just take it from the bone. Just use the knife to just get it out. Okay. A wishbone. This is our wishbone. We're just gonna take it out. Okay. So this is our breast of our chicken with the skin. So these are the 8 parts of chicken.